Hey, it's Brandon for Camperland RV, your toy hauler specialist in Wisconsin's premier ATC dealership. Today we're going to take a deep dive into new 2025 3618 Play 750. Let's get started. Okay guys, here we are in the front of the 3618. Just going to look at some of the things here. Firstly, on the fifth wheel trailers, they are going to come equipped with the Gen Y hitch. So that's something that's going to be on the new 2025 models. Additionally, along with the fifth wheels and bumper pull trailers, you're going to get the powered by Yamaha inverter generator. Everything else on the front of the trailer remains the same. And you can hear that generator. It's not quite as loud until it takes a full load. So we do have the heat pumps running right now. Looking down the side of the trailer, ATC's changed it up on their vinyl decals a bit. They've done just a vinyl single stripe down the side of the trailer. So changed the aesthetics quite a bit. The doors do open upwards as the previous models. Nothing has changed here on the new 2025 models. Everything's the same as far as that goes. The doors latch at the bottom. Moving down the side of the trailer, on this particular model, they do have the rooftop ladder to access the rooftop. Okay guys, here we are at the rear of the coach, and we like the new feature ATC's brought on. This is something that Camperland was doing. They've added the Girard awning. It's added to the backside and outside. We have put those inside of the trailer, so these are going to come as a standard feature. And again, you have the Voyager camera hookup on the rear of the coach. Okay guys, here we are inside the coach, the 3618 Play 750 2025 model. No significant changes on the outside, the roadside of the coach. So let's focus on some features here. ATC has gone with a new air conditioning unit. It's called GREE. And of the three that are installed in the 36, only one of those is ducted, and that's for the bathroom and bedroom. The other units are non-ducted. In addition to the AC, these do have heat pumps. We're running them now, and they're very, very quiet. So we're pleased with that new selection ATC has done. Focusing on the ceiling, you'll see some of the aesthetics. They've done recessed can lighting, which looks very sharp. The molding on the wall meeting the ceiling there has a nice black trim, so they've went black there. Moving down, you can see some of the color changes in the cabinetry. This is called sandstone gray. So they have gone with a new cabinet color. There's going to be three variations on the colors for the bottom cabinets. It's going to be the matching sandstone, it's going to be the sage green, and a blue. So those are going to be some aesthetic color changes. We'll point those out in just one moment. In the back here, they've added this feature, this bunk feature. It can fold up. You have queen sides on the bottom, a full side twin on the top here. So this folds up along the wall. It accesses via a ladder. So that's something very unique that ATC has done on the changes there. Focusing on the road side of the wall, they've relocated the television and put the television onto the road side of the wall. And it is mounted to the wall and not to the track. So we may see some features coming along later in the year with that. Here in the kitchen area, there's a few things to discuss, the changes they've made to their new 2025 models. Firstly, in the floor, you'll see that ATC has gotten rid of the aluminum flooring. This is all composite flooring throughout the coach. And then in addition to that, they have put a vinyl top to give it the look that they've added here. In the airline track, they've added these inserts, basically. So these can be cut, and they fit in there nice and snug. They can be cut at your various tie-down points, and then they can be inserted back in there. So that's a feature they've added. As we move up, you'll see the color of the sage green I discussed. Again, there's going to be three variations of color, one being the sage green. You can match the sandstone top cabinet portion, or you can go with a blue color. I don't know the specific name of that, but that's going to be online as well. The functionality of the cabinets have changed in such that they added these bronze golden handles, and the cabinets now close via a magnet. There's no more centerpiece here, and there's no more latches. These are very strong magnets, and we do believe that they will be very secure when you're hauling your items down the road. These also have a soft close function on them as well. They are still aluminum cabinets. These are all metal cabinets. They stuck with that theme. That looks very nice. The aesthetics of the sink faucet in the 2025 model is this golden bronze. And then we'll move down and have a look at the drawers. The drawers are very nice. They've got rid of the slide function on the side, put a new mechanism in there. They close very nice, and they have a soft close function on them. ATC has also went with a new Furrion refrigerator. This is a side-by-side refrigerator they've added. Very sleek looking refrigerator. You have your refrigerator portion on the right side of it, and then your freezer portion. So again, a residential refrigerator and freezer unit here. LED lights, very clean and sleek. And they have a little LED display here. Above the refrigerator, they've gotten rid of the TV again, and well, they haven't got rid of it. They have relocated the TV from above the refrigerator to, again, the roadside. All right, that pretty much concludes the kitchen area. Let's move on and see the significant changes they've done in the bathroom and then the bedroom. Moving up into the bathroom and bedroom area, you'll notice on the wall, it's the Azdel siding, and then they added the door trim, which is a nice black, and they've added the Azdel door. So they've gotten rid of the metal door into the bathroom, and it really offers a unique look. Let's go into the bathroom and have a look at what they've done here. This is quite the significant change that ATC has brought to the 2025 models. They've added a 1 foot length in the overall length of the bathroom, giving you a lot of space and maneuverability. In addition to that, you can see that they've put this very fancy and nice shower insert there with a ripple effect. Along with that, you can notice that they have done the spa-like feature. Very residential, very nice addition that we think ATC has done for the 2025 bathroom models. All else remains the same as far as the cabinets, a little bit bigger Madison cabinet, but everything remains the same with the soft close function and the magnet closer on the doors. Here we are in the master suite of this 3618 fifth wheel 2025 Play 750. You can see some significant changes that ATC has done. Firstly, the bed here is retracted. There is a switch on the wall that you can extend or retract the bed. This bed isn't made to be extended or retracted while laying in it. It's simply a function of the bed that they have provided. When the bed is fully retracted, you can see it goes up into the wall here. Down below, they have kept the storage spacing. The cabinet's open, so there is storage accessible spacing. Now, we haven't calculated to determine how much storage was lost or gained, or if any, but there's significant amount of storage remaining under the bed. However, it just doesn't open up like the previous models where you would lift from the front. In addition to this feature, what it has done is increase the depth of the master suite here. So you say if you're working from home, you could add a desk area here and you have plenty of room to walk around and enjoy the master suite. You could still place items on the bed and it really opens up the space. A feature that we find is very nice. In the water washing closet here, you can notice the cabinetry is a slight bit different. They've done a pressed cabinet, giving it this bordering. It looks very sleek. Again, these are the sandstone coloration. Opening up, you could put your washer and dryer combination there. A feature that ATC has done, they've added the electrical components into the master bedroom, so you do lose a bit of storage space in the master suite, which could be of concern. So they put those electrical components in the back of the or in the front of the coach in this case here. Of course, your TV mounted to the wall. All else remains the same as far as the configurations of the cabinetry, aside from the functionality of those cabinets in the master suite. Up top, you have your vent, which again has a rain sensor on it, so it will close automatically. It is ducted, as I pointed out, with the air conditioning heat pump combinations by Gree into the master suite and into the bathroom. That's the only ducted portion of the coach that they've done for the 2025 models. But there you have it. As we exit the master suite here, I want to showcase another feature they've done. Again, they've done the black trim. They've done the Azdel on the door, and they've added a mirror here. So no more metal door on either the bathroom or the master suite slide-out door, and the aesthetics of the trim was changed, bringing a new look to the 2025 models. All right, guys, as we close out this video, I want to thank you for watching. I ask that you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our social media platforms. This particular 3618 2025 Play 750 is already taken. We are pleased to announce that we are the first dealership to bring these to the market. We wanted to give you a little bit more of an in-depth look at some of the features that ATC has provided to their new models, and we will be having more of them on our lot very soon. And you'll see them at your dealership in about, the latter portion of November, so a couple weeks from now. So we're very pleased to showcase this video to you, and I want to thank you very much for watching.